This is a 2018 Bentley Bentayga, $250,000 when brand new, and today, $60,000 or even less. This Bentayga has a twin-turbo W12, hand-stitched leather, and enough presence to even make a billionaire look twice. In just 8 years, the value just hasn't depreciated, it's evaporated. 6 Corollas gone. Someone else took an almost $200,000 hit so you could feel like royalty for the price of a Chevy Tahoe. But here's the catch, the purchase price tanked, but the maintenance is still at a $250,000 level. You're looking at an SUV where a single warning light could bankrupt you. It's called the Bentley bankruptcy light. In this video, I'll answer questions like, does it still feel like a $250,000 SUV on the inside? Should you actually buy this instead of a new Lexus or BMW SUV? And how is the interior holding up after 8 years of use?
What the?
Is a used $60,000 Bentayga a genius move or the worst mistake you could make? Let's find out. Inside the Bentley, you're bathed with luxury. Of course you are. Imagine paying over $400,000 for a brand new Bentayga. Would you expect anything less? The best part about being inside this bold Bentayga are the seats. Extremely luxurious and plush. The buttons and switches have a satisfying click, but then you remember that Volkswagen owns Bentley and Audi. Lots of part sharing going on between these brands. And that's why you'll absolutely see some cheapness going on in here. After 8 years, the dash is falling apart. But then you also have some high-end luxury, like soft closed doors, 1,000 ways to adjust your seats, and very nice screens for your rear passengers. These are aftermarket, but the Bentley Bentayga did come with rear screens from the factory. Watching movies in the back while your Bentley butler is driving you around sounds like a pretty good life to me. 300 G's for my Bentley, I want my goods. But some of this stuff does look a bit cheap. These buttons move around too much, too plasticky. Could have done better for a $250,000 machine. The infotainment system is dated, but here's the weird thing. You have to push the fan button to adjust the speed. It would have been easier to just have a physical knob for that. Same thing with the airflow. This bulbous Bentley is also packing a lot of carbon fiber. It matches the 600 horsepower engine it comes with. You know the seats are good because when you're trying to put them back up, they're super heavy. This brave Bentley also comes with some old school vibes for the air vents. These air vents are nice and solid, but there's a problem. Volkswagen's always reminding you of its presence in this Bentley. The gauges, the switches, Volkswagen's everywhere. Even though you'll find some cheapness in the Bentley, the doors are crazy solid and heavy. They close with a really satisfying thunk. In these doors, you will find no cheap plastic. This is a really neat feature. You can actually take this out. You have your own personal remote. Change the temp, adjust your entertainment options. This is a really cool thing that they did. You get a view of everything on the dash back here. This is the coolest feature on the Bentley. And once you're done with this, snap it back in. So for $60K, you have a high-end luxury exotic SUV where you have a ton of luxury, but you also have to put up with this. But don't forget, you do get a W12 monster, an in-your-face SUV with a humongous grille, and something that you just don't see very often on the road. And let's face it, this is not a reasonable purchase. You buy this just because you want to, you feel like it. The enthusiast that lives inside of you can't help but buy this brash Bentley 600 horsepower, completely insane monster. For $60K, you have a lot of options. A BMW X5, Mercedes GLE, or even a newer Porsche Cayenne. You get newer technology, peace of mind, and of course, a warranty. Tell you what, that bankrupt Bentley warning light is very stressful. But remember, none of them come with a 12-cylinder twin-turbo 600 horsepower engine. It is pretty cool to think that for $60,000 you could get an SUV that actually cost even $300,000 back in the day. Feels like an insane deal, but at that price point, you also have options. There are issues with the Bentayga on the inside, but the driving experience is fantastic and the W12 engine is one of a kind. You pull up at a gas station and trust me, you're gonna be there a lot. People won't know how much this thing costs. It easily looks like a multiple six-figure car. Nobody will know that you paid less than $60 for this. Repair costs will be crazy expensive, but W12, what are you gonna do? The Bentayga is special indeed, but you might go bankrupt trying to own it. Driving this Bentley is such a strange experience. This thing is huge, massive, weighs a ton. I mean, several tons. But this thing just moves so quickly. 600 horsepower W12 engine. It's really shocking actually how quickly this thing takes off. No hesitation, 644 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds. And it does it so smoothly, quietly, effortlessly. There's not really much of an exhaust note that you can hear because there's so much insulation. I would recommend driving this in sport mode, but in case you want Bentley to set up your driving preferences, just leave it in B. Bentley knows what's best for you. This is an incredibly luxurious SUV to drive and ride in. It just floats over rough pavement, completely smooth, very little noise coming in from the outside. This Bentley is really made for billionaires. Even though the dash might be falling apart in this, you know what the really surprising thing is? There are no rattles. It's still completely solid and quiet. That just tells you about the build quality of this. 72,000 miles on this thing, 8 years later. Clearly this thing has been driven. It's still extremely solid. You might see those cheap things on the inside and think that this is a piece of junk, but then when you drive it, you realize that it's truly a special high-end luxury SUV. This thing can take off like crazy, but the suspension can handle it. You never feel like you're losing control. I wouldn't call this Bentayga sporty at all. It's a very luxurious SUV that takes off like a rocket. This is a stressful SUV to drive though, because every time you punch it, you wonder, is this the time that I have to pay $20,000 to fix my W12? This SUV, no question, is a dream to drive, but when you get those repair bills, that dream might be shattered. If you can stomach those big Bentley bills, then this beastly Bentley might just be worth buying for $60K. So, is this the greatest luxury SUV bargain on the planet? Maybe. Is this also a financial disaster waiting to happen? Possibly. Both things can be true at the same time. This is an affordable car to purchase, but not necessarily an affordable car to own. A $60,000 purchase with potentially $250,000 worth of consequences. But one thing's for sure, for $60K, you do get a 12-cylinder engine, extreme luxury, and one of the coolest SUVs around. What would you do? Get a used Bentayga or buy a new BMW? How much stress can you handle? Leave a comment.